Whew. Okay.
It's the last day of the worst year. Just say that.
Okay. Hello, everyone. It is December 31st, Thursday here, and we're just going to take a quick look on Polkadot. Very interesting whatever happened recently here. For the longest time, we've been anticipating a breakout soon out of this triangle here, if I zoom out a bit. The breakout happened a couple of days ago, and we just broke out. We didn't even try to retest, and just broke all-time highs at the 6.88 region. Brendan's here with me to analyze this, so we'll see.
Everyone panic. We're gonna die.
Definitely not. Definitely not.
That is a joke.
It is a joke. So for the most part, then, if we're looking at the daily chart here, we did have this breakout. We shot right back up. We have no zones here that we can. It's just basically the sky's the limit. There's no ceiling, nothing to foresee where this is gonna go. Brendan brought up a good point here, is that if we take maybe the height of this triangle here and we kind of add that where the breakout was, so according just to the pattern itself, we're reaching a zone here where this is the price target for people that are trying to take profit as the breakout happens. So a lot of people right now would be looking at taking profit sometime soon. We're very extended. Could it keep shooting up 100%, but I think sometime soon here we will have a retracement. Looking at the EMAs and all the indicators here, I think you agree that we don't see any signs of retracement anytime soon.
Yeah, no. So look, our indicators aren't really telling us that we're going to see a retracement yet. But look, we're right up against $9 psychological resistance. We're severely overextended. Haven't really had much of a pullback. Now, price action is parabolic, so we could just continue. But I mean, if we, whenever something pumps like this, expect a pullback. So on these larger time frames, we're not seeing a whole lot in terms of a pullback as of yet. But let's just try and zoom in a bit and see if we can find any more signs of
Definitely.
a potential pullback.
And before we even zoom in, I think like within the next hour and 18 minutes, the daily candle will close. Just one thing maybe to mention here, that the volume is down ticking. So we're just seeing this down tick in the volume, unless within the next hour and a half, hour and 18 minutes, we have something above here. But volume is definitely going down. RSI and stochastic RSI are in the oversold region, so it's kind of foreshadowing that retracement is maybe supposed to happen, but the MACD isn't really telling us much, but we are overextended. So if we go to the 4-hour, maybe 4-hour volume is down ticking. MACD didn't even try. I mean, did down tick, but we didn't even have a crossover, right? We got close, but we didn't see the crossover, which is right here, and it shot right back up. If we maybe look at the, sorry here. I don't know if you have anything to say on the 4-hour.
No, just the fact that we have decreasing volume, I feel, is telling. We're so overextended, right, getting rejected right off the $9. And like you said, man, the daily is going to close very soon. If the daily closes just under $9, I mean, man, I'd expect a pullback. Also, we could see here, this is the 4-hour, right? The 4-hour is really respecting that 20 EMA, that red line. So I think a pullback to that red line would make a lot of sense, in my opinion.
I would.
Yeah.
Plus, maybe, I don't know if it's worth doing, but if we're looking at the Elliott wave here, just add that, maybe see if an ABC retracement might sound like an option, but I don't know if maybe 1, some here, 2, 3 isn't. I don't know. I don't think there's 3, and then 5 somewhere soon where we'd have that retracement. I don't think this is valid yet, especially because we don't know where the top is.
Yeah, it's rough. You know what this could be too? This could be just the one wave of a very macro, Elliott wave. Like we could be right. Like this could be the first wave. We have a little bit of a correction, and then go for the third wave, and third wave being the most impulsive one. And again, Bitcoin dominance is at a high point. Once Bitcoin dominance decides to pull back, the altcoin is going to pump. And I mean, we're already breaking out. So
are you saying this is going to $1,000 tomorrow?
This is going to the moon. Everyone take out a second mortgage. That is a joke. Okay. Yeah. And so let's take a look here at the 1 hour, see if we can see anything else.
1 hour
1 hour. Yeah.
Volume significantly going down.
Yeah, it's in a the volume is in a macro downtrend.
Right.
RSI
One thing
still
here
kind of,
that we
yeah, in a
discussed was
downtrend.
the, yeah, our side higher, lower highs as we go down here compared to this previous price action we had here. So we having lower RSI than we had here over here. So that could be MACD. I don't see any signs yet still, besides the fact that we it's just volume. I think volume right now, psychological resistance. Maybe we go to the $10 just because
Yeah,
it's having that momentum as we go. No signs of it closing or reducing that momentum strength except for the volume here. So if not
yeah,
soon, but we should anticipate that.
yeah. And can we expand the RSI a little bit? Because all I'm trying to say is we're making higher highs in price action paired with lower highs in RSI. And given the fact that we've been breaking out and we haven't really had a significant correction yet, we're getting lower highs in price action while making higher highs. Sorry, lower highs in RSI with higher highs in price action. That's bearish. We could have a
Right.
pullback here. So yeah, that's all I
Right.
wanted to say.
Yeah, no, I think this is pretty good for now. Let's just see how that plays out. Proceed with caution. I would not enter a long here. Probably more of a short. This is too much buying pressure at the moment. I think we're probably gonna go to the $10, most likely here. But yeah, make sure. I don't know if you have anything else to add here.
No, just, if anything interesting happens with Polkadot, we'll definitely be talking about it in our Discord group, so check that out. Link for that in the description below. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We will be doing critical technical analysis all throughout this bull run. It's
Oh
all from me,
man,
man.
that's like 100 miles per
I
second.
know I'm getting quick with it.
Oh man, okay, all right.